Hello from Whatcom Community College in Bellingham, Washington. I'm Carmen Green, Associate Director for Outreach. While we missed the opportunity to see you all face-to-face during the Fall Counselor Workshop, I'm thrilled at the opportunity to share these virtual updates on WCC for the coming year. While our classrooms and learning look a little differently right now, our commitment to student success continues.
Hey Future Orgers, my name is Justin Erickson. I'm an English teacher at Whatcom Community College. And if we were meeting in ordinary times on campus, I probably wouldn't be wearing my unofficial Orca hat, and I'd probably be clean shaven. But as we all know, these times are a little different. One thing that doesn't change though is that Whatcom's all about connecting with you and community and supporting you as a student. So that's what my classes are all about, in English class too. I love seeing students engage and learn and supporting them in that, and doing everything I can to see you succeed. So the classes have a lot of interaction. You'll see my face, hear my voice a lot, read my words a lot. In my class, we read, we watch videos, we look at TED Talks, we listen to podcasts, and then you respond to those in your projects, which are often a mix of writing and video and audio, depending on your strengths and your choices too. So the class, for me, is all about helping you explore your potential, see what you're capable of, and also connecting to what you're interested in and your lived experience. So can't wait to work with you at Whatcom and hope to see you soon.
WCC Outreach is here to provide support in creative ways to best serve your students and communities throughout this year during their college search. There are caring advisors and dedicated staff here to help you and your students through this transition to online learning. Reach Outreach at whatcom.edu or me directly at cgreen@whatcom.edu. Stay healthy and safe, counselor community.